Hello, everybody. This is Dee from Dee's Cute and Crafty, and I am back with three brand new summer decor pieces for you today. I know this video is a day late. Please forgive me, but it was so worth the wait. Everything came out really cute. So let's get started. I will be using these wildflowers from Dollar Tree, masking tape, some of the macrame cord, my apple barrel in white, my Waverly chalk in ballet slipper. Of course, we're doing some hand lettering. I have this home sign from Dollar Tree, and I use some of my MDF signs from Dollar Tree to cut out these flip-flops. You guys, I have videos on my channel that show you how I hand cut out my MDF. So please go check them out. So I had to use water to get that paper off of there, and it still did not come off as well as I would have liked, even after sanding it. So we're just going to flip it over and use the other side. And I'm going in with my apple barrel in white and giving this just a coat of white paint. And then I took my masking tape and I taped out a nice square in the center because I want these edges to be that Waverly blush color. Nope, it's not blush. It is ballet slipper. Hello Hobby, their pink like this is called blush. So we're using Waverly ballet slipper. So I got it all painted, and then I took my masking tape off to reveal those crisp lines that I love. And I'm doing the same thing with the flip-flops. I've got them all taped off, and I put them side by side to kind of make sure my tape was even on each flip-flop. And now I am going in with that same paint, and I put a little bit of red in it because I wanted it to be just a little bit darker than that border on the sign that we're using. So here we are revealing those crisp lines once again, and I'm going in with one of my white markers from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to just give myself a guide to follow when I paint it with the white paint. I made my lines so that I can paint within the lines. Just like you color in the lines when you're little, you're taught to color. So that's why I did it. And then I went in with my pencil, as I always do, and I wrote, "Life is better in flip-flops." Now I'm going over my pencil with a permanent marker that I got from Dollar Tree. I do pencil first so I can erase any mistakes before I make it permanent. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I have missed you. I feel like I have been away for so long, but it has been so much going on with Mother's Day. My daughter moved away to North Carolina, so then she drove back up for Mother's Day and also for my birthday this month, which it hasn't come up yet. My birthday's at the end of the month, but since she was already here and she's not going to make it back up for my birthday, we celebrated both of those together. Mother's Day and my birthday, and of course celebrated her because she's a mother as well. She brought my grandbaby up to see me, which I just miss them so much. They've only been gone a month and I miss them already. Well, actually 2 months now. But anyway, so that was going on, and then I'm trying to plan for these two trips I have coming up. Howard is taking me to Universal Studios for my birthday, and then in June we're going to Virginia Beach. So anyway, there's just been a lot going on, and I've missed you, and I'm back. So now that I've got my flip-flops striped and painted and got them the way I want, I'm going to take this macrame cord and I'm going to measure it out, and I just eyeball everything. And then I'm just going to tuck it down in that hole, just thread it through, and then take my other two pieces as you see me doing and thread those through. I put a little glue on the ends so it's easier to thread. And I'm just going to tie a knot at the back of those two pieces as well. Don't worry about the back of this where I could not get that paper off. You're not going to see it anyway. And then I'm going to add a little dab of glue to the bottom of each knot and pull those tight so that they stay in place. Here you see I am adding a tumbling tower block because I want to give this sign a little bit of lift or dimension. I don't want those flip-flops to be flat. And you guys know I can't I can't do anything without making it old and weathered. So I distress the edges of that pink paint just a little bit. Now I'm going to cut about 6 of these little wildflowers. We're going to put 3 on each flip-flop, just at the top of that macrame cord. I was super excited to get into my summer crafting, and I know I need to do my patriotic crafting as well, but I had to get these few summer pieces out, and my next video, I believe, will be like pineapple and ladybugs. We're going to work on that, and then I'll get into my patriotic decor. But I'm so happy to be back in my crafting studio. I've missed it. I've missed you guys, and it feels good just to create again. I sound like I've been away forever, but I really haven't. I think it's been like a week. So here it is, you guys. This one is cute and ready to be displayed. Is it my favorite of the 3 that I'm going to show you today? Yes, it is my favorite of the 3 that I'm going to show you today. And you guys know how we do it. As always, I need you to comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite of these beautiful summer decor pieces that I'm bringing to you. I didn't show you in the actual making of this sign, but I added a bead hanger. Moving on to DIY number 2, I have folk art, apple barrel, and Americana. And the folk art is pumpkin. The apple barrel is sunny yellow, and the Americana is citron. So again, we are working with Dollar Tree MDF board signs. This whole video, there are Dollar Tree MDF board signs that make these pieces. So you guys get to see what I create with them. I mean, really just whatever I want, truly. I just figure out how to get it cut out. And here you see me again showing you how I cut my MDF to make whatever craft or whatever decor piece that I want to make. Anything I can imagine, I can cut it out in this MDF board. So we're going to do some popsicles or ice creamsicles, whatever you guys want to call them. More like creamsicles, really. So I'm just taking one of them and making a bite out of it. And then we're just going to get them all painted. I did add some white paint to this orange just to lighten it up a little bit. I felt like it was too orange. So I wanted everything to be nice and like pastel colored for this. And now I'm dry brushing just a little bit of white because I want them to look old and weathered. I like that farmhouse old weathered look. And I did sand around the edges of all of the ice cream bars. Now I'm going to take my jumbo craft sticks that I cut in half, and I'm just going to stain them using some Waverly Antique Wax. Of course, you can leave them the neutral color because truly that's the color of popsicle sticks when you get them. But I like for things to look farmhouse, and this just gave it another pop of color, another look that I like. So that's why I did it. You guys can definitely leave them in the neutral color, but I just thought staining them would be nice. I've got them lined up, and now I'm going to take my ruler because I want to make a line across the center of each one, and I want them all to line up exactly the same. I'm giving myself this line because we're going to do some hand lettering. We are going to write Sweet Summer Time. Again, do this in pencil first, and then go back with my permanent marker and make it permanent. This one came out really nice as well. It's a really fun and summertime looking door hanger. You could write welcome at the top in the corner, right by the word sweet. You could write, oh, I'm so excited I can't talk. You could write welcome there, and then it would say welcome sweet summertime. That would be nice as well. but I think this sign came out really cute. And I love it. And I hope you guys do too. Again, welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for choosing D's Cute and Crafty. And welcome back to all my subscribers that have been with me for a while. Thank you for hanging in there with me, for waiting for me to get another video up. I hope you had a beautiful, blessed Mother's Day, because I certainly did. I hope you enjoyed your friends and your family. So now we're just getting our popsicle sticks glued down, or craft sticks. I like to add glue and masking tape. So here I've just got them all lined up the way that I want them. I want the center one with the bite out of it to sit up a little higher. I traced around it so that I would know exactly where to place the glue. So I just traced around that center one where it touched the other two, and that makes it really easy for glue placement that way, instead of just globbing a bunch of glue on the back and hoping you hit something. And now I decided, which wasn't the original plan, but we're winging it a little bit. I decided it needed something else. It wasn't enough. It needed a little, I don't know, a bow. So, of course, I went back and I made 3 bows, one in each color to match the popsicles. But I decided that I wasn't going to match them up, matchy, matchy, yellow to yellow, green to green, orange to orange. We are going to mix it up a little bit because I think it adds interest to this piece. And this is just a door hanger, or you could hang it on your wall. It came out lovely. Super easy. These DIYs today, very, very easy. It's just paint, a little bit of a ribbon here and there, and just your time and your creativity. Nothing hard about any of these. Adding a jute hanger to the back, and this one is done. And here she is, you guys. DIY number 2 complete. You guys, if you've forgotten or if you don't know, I have a free Facebook group called D's Cute and Crafty DIY Divas. I would absolutely love to see what you're working on for summer. So if you are a member of that group, go ahead and post some of your summer decor pieces so that we can get inspiration from you. Last but not least, DIY number 3, using my Apple Barrel White. I'm using this Acryology turquoise from Dollar Tree, and I'm using my lavender, and I think that's Deco Art. I have one of the Dollar Tree crate boxes, and again, some more of that MDF sign from Dollar Tree. I took it and I made some sunglasses and the little arms for the sunglasses. This one came out nice as well, and it's very colorful as the other two are, and simple to make. So I'm just nipping away at the cardboard after I drew my sunglasses. And now I'm just going to cut away what I don't need, taking my time, making sure I don't actually cut into the parts of it that I don't want to cut away. Now I'm going in with my X-Acto knife, and I'm going to clean that rough edge up. It's just like peeling a piece of fruit, actually, like peeling an apple, the way that you hold it. It's very easy. Now I'm going in with my Gator sander, and I am smoothing those edges out even more. So here you see me taking my pencil, and I am just drawing in the lens of the glasses. And I have some of the little Dollar Tree wooden cubes. We're going to put one on each end of those glasses, those sunglasses, because that is how we are going to attach the arm of the sunglasses. This is just a nice little decor piece just to have sitting around. Now I'm going to take my permanent marker and I'm going to outline those lenses. And then I'm going to take my Hello Hobby black paint in the color ink, and we're going to just paint those in. Just carefully painting around that black lens. You can do so much with these sunglasses. You could add polka dots or swirls or lines or whatever you want. I just left them very solid and plain because I think they're colorful as they are, so I didn't feel like I needed to add a lot of color to it. But you can definitely add whatever you want to these. I painted the Dollar Tree crate in the apple barrel white, and I wrote on there in pencil, "Good vibes only." And now we're just going to get the turquoise sunglasses adhered to the top using tumbling tower blocks. And then the other two pair, we're just going to sit around it. It's just a cute summer fun piece. And here it is, you guys. Really easy. Took hardly no time at all. And it's just fun and festive for summer. And here is the final reveal of everything I've made for you guys today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating all of these summer fun pieces for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you made it to this far in the video, leave me a flip-flop, or at least the word flip-flop. That lets me know you hung out with me today, and for that, I am so grateful. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That lets YouTube know you like my content, and they share me out a little bit more, and it helps my channel grow. And for that, I am so grateful. Be blessed, be safe, craft something beautiful.